Toads, often mistaken for their froggy cousins, are fascinating creatures that have adapted to various environments worldwide. Toads belong to the family Bufonidae, and they share many characteristics with frogs, but they have some unique features that set them apart. For example, toads have dry, warty skin that helps them absorb moisture from the air. Contrary to popular belief, their warts are not poisonous, but they do provide a protective barrier against predators. Toads also have a parotoid gland behind each eardrum, which produces a sticky, poisonous substance when threatened. They use this toxin to deter predators, a defense mechanism not commonly found in frogs. One interesting behavior of toads is their ability to survive in arid conditions. Some species can survive for years without water, burrowing deep underground during dry periods. Toads play crucial roles in ecosystems, feeding on insects, slugs, and snails. They also serve as food for various predators, contributing to the balance of the food chain. Toads have been part of human culture for centuries, symbolizing transformation and fertility in many societies. In some cultures, they are revered as symbols of good luck and prosperity. In modern times, toads have found their way into various fields, from medicine, where their secretions are used in some traditional remedies, to biology, where they are studied for their unique adaptations. Despite their importance, many toad species are facing threats from habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating creatures and ensure their survival for future generations. So, next time you come across a toad, take a moment to appreciate this resilient, unique creature. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity and adaptation in the face of adversity.